Hello everybody. I'm going to explain you about Bernoulli's equation. Class I have explained about continuity equation. Continuity equation and Bernoulli's equation occurs or comes under fluid dynamics. Fluid dynamics is the study of fluid mechanics when the fluid is in motion. So in fluid mechanics, when a fluid is flowing through a pipe of varying cross section, we have learned to find out the rate of discharge where Q is equal to rho into A into V. In case of incompressible fluid, it is Q is equal to AB. In case of compressible fluid, it is rho AV. Similarly, continuity equation is equal to based upon the law of conservation of energy, where neither energy can be created nor destroyed. So A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Based upon that, Sir Bernoulli, a physics mathematics and a physicist, has derived a theorem for incompressible and non-viscous fluid. According to him, there exists a relationship between pressure and velocity when a fluid is flowing through a pipe of varying cross-section. As the pipe fluid is flowing through a pipe of varying cross-section, and as the diameter increases, when the diameter of increases, the pressure increases, velocity reduces. That they have given up for practical applications in case of aviation or the air wings in a flight. Same principle has been applied in Venturi meter, and same principle is been applied in the blowing of the rooftop. The blowing of the rooftop, the pressure on the top of the roof is less than the pressure at the bottom of the roof. Due to the pressure differences, the rooftop is blown. Now this theorem he considered with fluid which is non-viscous. Non-viscous means viscosity is 0 and it's said to be and for imaginary fluid. Since it's a non-viscous fluid, less frictional force, so less loss of heat generated. And as for he has generated problem or derived for viscous and both is non-viscous fluid. He has derived an equation where the energy at this end of the starting of the section is equal to the energy at the end of the section. This energy includes pressure energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy. And he has derived an equation where P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus H1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Now, what is meant by potential energy? It is the energy that is stored. So here when the fluid is placed at a datum height h, we take that as potential energy. You can see in this example here also. Kinetic energy is the energy when the fluid is in motion. So when the fluid is flowing, the velocity of the flow increases or decreases depending upon the pressure and depending upon the cross-sectional area of the pipe through which it is flowing. So based upon this derivation, we are going to solve few problems. The problem occurs in this given question. It is given a pipe is diameter with D1 and D2. You need to calculate area. Velocity of one is given. You need to calculate velocity of the other and the velocity head. Velocity head will be given as V square by 2g. So using this formula, I have made you derive a problem. Then discharge you can calculate by Q is equal to A into V. Second question, rate of flow is given. You need to calculate V1 and V2 and pressure at one side is given. So with D1, D2 you can calculate area. With Q you can calculate V1 and V2, velocity of V1 and V2 at the two ends of the section. And you can derive in the equation where P1 is known, V1 is known, but P2 is unknown. Second, here the pipe is flowing with the length is given and the slope is given. So H1 will be is equal to 1 in 30 of the length. So with that we can calculate the datum head. And by applying the principle, we can calculate the unknown pressure. Same thing here also. determine the difference in the datum head. Here the datum head H1 and H2 is unknown. You can calculate the difference of H2n unknown, H2n, and you can calculate the difference of this. So hope with this video you can understand what is Bernoulli's theorem, what is Bernoulli's concept. Hope I will come with many more videos. Thank you.